In today's video, I'm going to teach you, is Wise TransferWise pricing worth it for freelancers? 2000 feet. First, open Wise and either log in or create an account if you don't already have one. In some regions, including the Philippines, account registration may be free, which can make it appealing for freelancers who want to get started without paying an upfront sign-up cost. Once you're inside the platform, the goal is to review how Wise charges for the features freelancers typically use. Next, head over to the pricing section. This is where Wise lays out its fees more clearly. One important thing to highlight here is that the standard Wise account does not usually come with a monthly subscription fee. Instead, pricing depends on what you actually do, such as receiving money, converting currencies, or sending funds out. That usage-based model is helpful for freelancers because you only pay when you use a specific service. From there, check the receiving fees. Wise allows freelancers to receive money using account details in supported currencies, which can be useful if clients prefer to pay locally. In many cases, domestic payments in supported currencies are free to receive, while certain USD wire transfers or SWIFT payments may involve fixed fees. This distinction matters because the payment method your client uses can affect your final cost. After that, move to the currency conversion section, choose the currency you're receiving, like USD, and the currency you want to convert into, such as PHP. Then enter a sample amount, for example, $1,000. Wise will display the exchange rate, the conversion fee, and the estimated amount you'll receive after conversion. This preview is useful because it shows the numbers before you commit. As you review that screen, point out that Wise uses the mid-market exchange rate. That's important because instead of hiding extra cost inside a marked up exchange rate, Wise separates the fee so you can see it more transparently. Next, check the withdrawal or transfer options. After converting from USD to PHP, you can send the funds to a Philippine bank account or a supported e-wallet. Wise may also provide PHP account details for receiving local PHP payments, which can add flexibility depending on how you get paid. Then use the Wise calculator to estimate the total cost. Show the full flow, the amount received, the Wise fee, the exchange rate used, and the final PHP amount. Also make it clear that the exact fee can vary depending on